This video will show you how to use keywords and filters to search databases effectively. To start, from the library homepage, you can find the list of databases available to you by clicking on the List of Databases tab. A database is a collection of information that is stored online. It's not like a website, which you can access through Google and get the information without a password. A database is more like an online library, and it could have information from books, magazines, encyclopedias, and other kinds of sources. The database will collect all that information in one place and make it easy to search. It's important to know that USN pays for a subscription to our databases, which means they might need a password. A list of our database passwords is available on every LibGuide in the red Quick Links box. Let's start by exploring one of our Gale in Context databases. We'll start by searching the keyword climate change. This search brings back thousands of results because it's a huge topic. It's useful to have some keywords for smaller subtopics too, like the effect on the ocean. But if we type in climate change ocean in search, we still get too many results. Instead, we'll use quotation marks around the phrase climate change, and then we'll use and ocean to indicate that we want articles about climate change in the ocean together. The search will look for these terms in close proximity to each other. Another strategy is to search climate change first. Then, in your list of results, you can add a second keyword. In the filter section, click on the button that says Search Within, type the word ocean, and click Submit. Now your search is still looking for both keywords, but they don't have to be close to each other. Look at the top of the page to see what kinds of sources are showing up in your results. Do you want reference sources like encyclopedia entries? Maybe you need a news article or a magazine article. You don't have to choose a source type, but it's good to know what you're looking at. If you want to see all source types, scroll down and you'll see your results grouped by type with the first few results in each category showing up on the page. Because they contain so much information, databases offer several tools, called filters, to make your searches more focused. With publication date, you can ask for articles from any date range you choose. With subjects, you can look for articles with certain subject headings, which are like tags that tell you the main topics of an article. We might look for articles about sea ice or ocean temperatures. Write down any subject headings that look useful on your keyword list so you can keep those search terms for later. The document type filter lets you choose what kinds of articles or materials you want. Articles, cover stories, and overviews are likely to be good choices, while a book review may not be very useful. The publication title filter lets you choose articles from a particular source, like National Geographic or NPR's All Things Considered. And finally, some databases allow you to limit your results by Lexile measure or by content level. This can be really helpful if many of your search results are difficult to understand. Ask your teacher or a librarian to help you determine the correct level for you. Now you have the right tools to search effectively and find exactly what you need in a database.